In the previous video, we have created the send email function. By using this, we were able to send email using our AI assistant. In this video, we will add another feature like searching in Chrome. For that, we will write another else if statement here, and if our command or query contains the word search in Chrome in it, then it should ask us like what should I say using the speak function. Then we want our AI assistant to open the Chrome browser and search the text or the command in the Chrome browser. For that, we need to import another library called web browser. So I will go up and type import web browser, and we will call the web browser as WB. Now let's get back to the else if statement in the main function, and we will add Chrome path. Let's just create a variable called Chrome path, and this variable will contain the path of a Chrome browser application. So let me just paste my Chrome path here. You can find the path in C drive, then in program files, then Google, then Chrome application. Then we need to get the exe file path here. After that, we want our AI assistant to guide the search command from the user. For that, we will create another variable which will be search equal to take command dot lower. So it will convert the command into lowercase. After that, we want to open the browser. For that, we will write wb.get, and in here we will pass the Chrome path variable which we have created above. So let's copy the Chrome path variable here, and we will write dot open new tab to open the new tab in Chrome application. And in this we will pass the search variable here, and at the same time we want it to concatenate with another string, that is .com. So if our user says YouTube, so it should automatically add .com at the end of the string. Now let's save the program and try to run it and see if it works or not.
Welcome back, sir. Good afternoon. Friday at your service. How I can help you?
Search in Chrome.
What should I search?
YouTube. Search in Chrome.
What should I search?
Disney Plus Hotstar. Go offline. So as you can see, it is able to search properly. Now let's move on to the next video.